Okay, so this is the unfortunately failed project that I ended up doing. So this is an app that I created through MIT App Inventor. It is phrased, or it's kind of made to be a game. I ran into a lot of issues for execution, especially the idea. It's still functional overall. I just would have liked it to be a lot more functional, I suppose. So we go ahead and click Start, and you get into the buttons. So you can actually click the X, and it'll take you right back to the original start page. So this is the beginning of the game. It will tell you instructions throughout the process. It'll be like, don't start the game, don't do this, and you're supposed to do it. It's kind of like a funny little thing. So I'm going to begin again now that I've tested the exit bar. So